What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, your host for SharePoint in 60 seconds, where you can get the information you need in the first couple of minutes. And if you want more, stick around for a step-by-step run-through. Today, we're going to continue using the picker wheel, and last week we used Microsoft Teams, so it has been removed from the wheel. We're going to spin, and that will be the subject of the video. Now, if you want to send in your own choices, go ahead and pop them into the comments, and we can add them to the wheel. All right, here we go. Let's see what we're going to talk about today. The suspense. Oh, snap, communication sites. So we're going to go ahead and hide that one. Again, if you have something you want to add to the wheel, hit us up in the comments. Okay, communication sites it is. Today we're going to talk about what do you get when you build a brand new communication site. Stick around.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them forward.
Alrighty, the way we do it here, we give you the quick rundown in about 60 seconds, and then we follow that with a step-by-step run-through. So here we go. Let's do a 60-second run-through of the defaults that you get with a communication site. First and foremost, it's going to be the topic browser. The topic, it's going to be the topic template. There's topic and showcase and one other. Anyway, you're going to get a hero web part with all 5 of them showing here. You're going to get a news web part. Let's go into edit because some of them you can't see. Like if I scroll down, you can't see some of the things that are hiding there, but I promise you they're there. Let's go ahead and edit mode. Then we can see exactly what's hiding out. So we got news, we got events, we got documents. I believe this shows like recently modified files. We got a quick link section, and we got people profiles, comments on and off. Now, we also get a document library, and you get a site pages library. Do believe you don't get a notebook. So I think that's about 60 seconds. Now let's slow it down and do a step-by-step and dig a little bit deeper and talk about what you get by default with a communication site. Before we get into that, I want to give a great big thank you to everyone watching, all the subscribers, folks who liked and shared and hit the bell notification. If you haven't done that, now's your chance. Like, subscribe, bell notification, so you can know as soon as new content is available. All right, let's get on with it. We are going to slow it down, and we're taking a look in edit mode, and we just talked about the home page, right? You get one page, the home page, with the hero web part. This is basically an area where you can, this is where you want to draw people's attention. So when they visit this site, whatever you want them to know the most, put it right here and link to it. You could put an image and you could put a link. Over here you can do like one link and then also another sublink, learn more. You can put photos behind or images behind here. You can go color blocks if you want. Then we got a news web part. This is pretty slick. Keep in mind, every time you create a news article, you're creating a site page in the background. You can also, quick tip, you can save a news article as a template. Maybe we'll show that in another video. We have events. So this site by default gets an event list, which is the same as the old school calendar. And it automatically points, this web part automatically points to that calendar because it's the only one that's on this site. And then we have recently updated documents. We can dig into this a little bit more. As a matter of fact, let's just go ahead and take a peek at what the parameters are for this. So it's filtering. It's saying what? Filter content. Yep. It's looking at the documents library, which is the default document library for this site. Title includes, it's just showing kind of everything as it gets added then. It's just going to show recently added content. It just says it right here. So each time you add something in this library, it's just going to show it. So it just goes pretty simple, but you can tweak it to your liking and filter according to your needs. We have quick links, the quick links area. And I forgot to mention the people profiles in the 60-second rundown, I do believe. Or maybe I did. But this, you can put like maybe who's in charge of the site, but it grabs users from your tenant. So if you start typing someone's name, it's going to autofill. There you go. Now let's dig a little bit deeper into the site contents to see what lives here. We'll go ahead and well, we're going to discard changes. We didn't make any changes. But then you can see again how you don't see that people profile or the quick links because it's empty. Once you add something, it'll show up. Okay, so let's go to site contents and see what's living here. We got the site contents, we got the documents library, that's just your default document library, same one that's linked up here. These are just system libraries, don't mess with these. And then you have your events, which we talked about from the home page, and we have site pages. This is where your site pages live. So if you go in here, you'll see there is a home page. There you go. That's what you get by default. If you want to dig a little deeper into permissions, you know, every site's going to give you the members group, the visitors group, and the owners group. So if you go to site permissions, advanced, well, you can see it right here, owners, members, and visitors. There you go. That's the rundown of your default thingies that you get with a brand new communication site. Please let us know if you want us to add something to the picker wheel. Just put your comments down below and we will get it added, and it will be in the next, it will have an opportunity to be in the next video. With that, keep doing the best you can with what you got. Remember, SharePoint rocks, and so do you. We'll see you next time. Take it easy, y'all.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care